Hey guys, welcome back to Life Princess Size with me, Pallavi. I am so excited about today's video because like I said, all through this month we're going to be focusing on the wedding season and talking about all things wedding. So we started off the month with amazing tried and tested ways to save money for your big day. If you haven't watched that video yet, please do. And then we talked about some excellent, healthy, tasty dishes that you can make for your diet for the big day because nobody wants to keep eating that boiled, boring khana. And today we're doing some really tried and tested amazing ways to make your skin glow and to just do lots and lots of natural DIY remedies for your skin. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. And I want your comments. Please leave me comments on this video on what more you'd like to do and what all you've tried. So, just a quick thing about what we're doing today. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I am all for all things natural. If you want to do like face masks or, skin scrubs, there are a million recipes available online. But these are some that I tried. In fact, I tried one of these today before shooting this video and it turned out so well that I was just so excited to shoot this episode and share it with you because I don't know if you can tell, but I tried it on my left arm, which is bloody glowing right now, like highlighter, bronzer, sab bhul jao. Nature and nature's bounty is all we need. Okay, so I'll quickly tell you what we're doing for our mask or scrub number 1. So for this, I had, and I'm going to tell you my horrible trysts with adulting. I had like a half kg of walnuts go bad. I put it in the fridge, but it still got this horrible smell to it. And then later my mom tells me, "Kare, nahi, you're supposed to put it in the freezer." Now what do? I've spoiled half a kg of walnuts. Same thing I did with flax seeds. I got a whole bunch of those and they got this terrible smell because I had not refrigerated them. And if you've been following my channel, you know that I hate wasting stuff, especially food stuff. And I love to repurpose things and upcycle them. So I did a lot of R&D and I finally come out with this recipe, which I'm going to share with you. So what we need here is walnuts, which I've just crushed, which I've just ground in the mixer. So you want them to be coarse. You don't want a fine powder, and of course you don't want big chunks. Then just dried flax seeds ground up, again fairly coarse. You don't want it thinned out. And then we've got some natural aloe vera gel. Just quickly to tell you that aloe vera is one of the easiest plants to maintain. It is so good for your skin, and it barely needs any attention. So if you're a terrible millennial who can't keep their plants alive, it's okay. You can get aloe vera very easily, and every time you need it, just chop off a fresh stem, let the yellow stuff drain out. So leave it to drain for about 10-15 minutes and then just trim off the sides, take out the gel, blitz it up, and you have fresh aloe vera gel. And trust me, the bottle stuff is not even a patch on this. So try using natural ingredients as and when you can. So this is one of the easiest scrubs. Take your ground up walnuts. So I've got about 1 cup here, and I'm mixing about 2 tablespoons of ground up flax seeds into this. There you go. And just to bring this together, we're going to put in our fresh aloe vera gel. It's so good, it's so natural. You know that aloe vera is really sticky. The only thing you need to be careful about is getting aloe vera gel on your clothes because that does stain. Other than that, just blitz it up. It's a natural gum. Look at the way it's just binding this thing together. So just give it a quick stir and that's it. You're pretty much ready to go. So both the flax seeds and the walnuts have a whole lot of natural fats and natural oils which are amazing for the skin. Walnut, as we all know, is great for exfoliation. So it's going to be a very gentle scrub. Even if you have sensitive skin, you can very easily do this because it's all natural. So the texture is going to be something like this. And like I said, because my walnuts and flax seeds had both gone bad, so there's a bit of a smell to this. So to combat that, you can either put in a few drops of essential oils. Even if it's not gone bad, you can do that, so it'll feel more luxurious. What I'm adding is this Forest Essentials Bath and Shower Oil. So I'm just going to put in a few drops so that it smells amazing and I can fool my brain कि अरे मैंने तो कुछ खराब नहीं किया, and that's about it. So just mix it up. And how you want to use this is that whenever you're going for a bath, because it's going to be a little messy, right? So you want to use this in the shower and just take about this much and scrub it nicely all over your arms and your legs. It works wonders on elbows, on knees, on those cellulite thighs, that we all kind of struggle with. So it's really helpful. It gets your blood moving, and that really helps in reducing the cellulite apparently. So you just need to get some of this, scrub. It'll just scrub for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll be tempted to just rinse it off, but no, just keep scrubbing till it naturally falls off, and that's when you'll see your skin shine like anything, and that's it. Then you're good to go. So I also always, like I said, I love recycling, so I keep all my old bottles and jars of my hair masks, of my moisturizers. I store them for things like this because I love making my own things. So I'm just gonna store it in this. You can just keep it in your bathing area and use it every day, or even couple of times a week is good enough. You can even put it in pretty jars and gift it to your friends. How cute would that be? So there we go, our scrub number 1, our walnut, flaxseed and aloe vera gel scrub is ready. Okay, so sheet masks are all the rage these days. Everybody is going crazy buying sheet masks, but I wanted to do a DIY version. Now, we're going to be using an egg for this. I know it sounds gross to put an egg on your face, but I believe this really works. And if you've tried these, or if you've seen one of these tutorials before, it's quite a messy process. So I have my own little hack to this. So for this, what we need is an egg, some lemon, and some organic honey. And typically what you're supposed to do is beat the egg white, put it on your face, and then layer it with tissues, then put another layer, then again. So instead of doing that whole messy thing, what I've got over here is this amazing thing from MiniSo. So these are these cute little sheet masks that are compressed. So we're going to be using these today. Let me first show you how. So let's get started. First you want to crack open your egg and separate the yolk and the white. Tablespoon of honey. So what I'm using here is organic honey, and 7 to 8 drops of lemon. Now thanks to all this, that eggy smell is not going to bother you on your face, and that's about it. And now you just beat the hell out of this. Okay, so after beating the egg whites and the honey and the lemon, it looks something like this. And now I'm gonna get my MiniSo sheet mask in. So essentially it's a compressed towel, and once you add it to a liquid, it will take shape. So look, it's a little pellet and it goes in. Okay, there we go. Wow, that does not smell bad at all, and I'm not even being sarcastic right now. Now you gotta let this dry out for about 5-10 minutes, and then layer it with the other mask. Okay, we wait. So I've left this on for more than about 15 minutes, and now we're ready for the second layer, which is the mask has been in the egg white honey lemon mixture. And yes, I managed to dirty my top, so now I'm going to be a little more careful and get a towel on. Okay. Okay, so I've had the second layer on also for more than 15 minutes, and it's time to take it off. But before we do that, I'm going to take this a step forward and get on to mask number 3. So you can, if you don't want to do that, you just simply remove this and rinse your face with warm water and you're good to go. But I also want to tackle a bit of hair removal. So what we're trying is something really simple, and that is using oatmeal. So I'm going to take a spoonful of oatmeal, and this is already ground up. If you're using full oatmeal, then just grind it coarsely. Just to be on the safe side, I'll still just crush it with my hand a little bit. And we're going to mix this with some lukewarm water. It's not hot, but just a little warm. If you're not clubbing the oatmeal mask with the egg white mask, you can simply just add some honey and lemon to this as well. But since I already had honey and lemon on my face, I'm gonna combine these two steps. Okay, that's it. You just mix it with a little lukewarm water, and that's it. And now it's time to take this off. Wow, okay, so it feels a little stretchy. And if you have oily skin, you can avoid honey, but otherwise this is really good. The lemon, as you know, will help lighten your skin. The honey is nourishing. The egg white has a whole lot of protein, and I'm just gonna take the extracts from this and mix it up with my oatmeal. So this step ideally you should be doing in the bathroom, but let me just quickly tell you what you need to do. You've got this paste now, and you want to scrub this on your face in a direction against your hair growth. So I'm just going to take this and keep scrubbing. So I'm going to go and do this, and essentially you just keep scrubbing till it becomes dry, and you'll feel a little bit of tension on your hair. So do that, and that, if you do this regularly enough, I believe it helps with hair removal. I'm certainly going to be trying this on a regular basis, and I'll keep you updated. But why don't you get started with me? Hey guys, so I'm back. I let the oatmeal mask dry out on my face for about 10 odd minutes and then just scrubbed it off. It was a little painful because obviously it had dried out, and that's what you want. And I believe if you do this like twice a week, it really helps reduce your facial hair. So this is something I'm super kicked about trying on a regular basis, and that's why I've sort of washed my face and just come on screen like this to show you the natural, absolute no makeup results. I can certainly feel that my skin is feeling a little tighter. It's certainly glowing. My arm is certainly glowing after the walnut scrub. So I hope you try these out. Please try all three. Tell me how it went for you. I would love to hear your comments and your reviews on these. And of course, I would certainly recommend not doing this for the first time very close to your wedding. So make sure you do this at least 2 months in advance. Do a patch test if you think your skin is very sensitive, even though these are all absolutely natural home remedies, so they should not trouble sensitive skin people, but still don't do anything new very close to your wedding. Try these out, let me know how it went for you, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for tuning in, and keep coming back for lots more fun stuff to do with weddings.